The Southern African Development Committee SADC organ on politics, defense and security cooperation has congratulated the ruling Frelimo party of Mozambique for winning the general elections held by that country recently. Sanabira mashoko ari shocking zvatiri kuona kuti vakomana wanenge mangwana anobuditsa nhau dzinoshamisa pationa kuti aiwa vakomana veSADC Trekkers vakagara nyika yeZimbabwe navo vachizama kusolva the dispute pamusoro pemapose eMozambique anozivikanwa kuti they were flawed zvitori pachena. Vakomana vanobuda kutaura mashoko ekukongratulata Frelimo party. Sanabira mashoko amudanyirwa panapa kuti wasubscribe like turn on the bell icon. Tipinda panapa vanonyora vachiti Frelimo retained power in the October 9 national elections, extending its 5-decade rule in the Southern African state, and its candidate, 47-year-old Daniel Chapo, is set to replace President Filipe Nyusi amid accusations of fraud by the opposition. Chapo, who won 70% of the votes, becomes Mozambique's 5th president since its independence from Portugal in 1975, taking over from President Nyusi, who is stepping down after serving the stipulated 2 terms. Tanzanian Foreign Affairs and East African Cooperation Minister Muhammad Tabit Kombo congratulated Chapo, together with Botswana's Dumaboko of the Umbrella for Democratic Change and Mauritius' new Prime Minister Navim Ramgoolam, who he opened the organ on politics, defense and security cooperation meet at the SADC Extraordinary Summit of Years of State and Governance at the new Parliament building at Mount Hamped on the outskirts of the capital. Mashoko anobuda nyongwa panapa tichiona kuti vakomana veSADC panapa SADC vakomana vanhu vasinei nayo vasina kana basa vanoteerera kuti chii zvinobuda kune SADC zvinoda kuti vautinozatoona kuti aiwa iri tumuri flawed zvai. Tudze mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pe this corrupt thing. Pinda comment section medu musana subscribe like and turn on the bell icon.